Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Android camera like iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To make your Android camera function like an iPhone, just follow these general steps using a third-party app. So firstly, open the Google Play Store and search for camera iPhone 15. Tap on the search icon. Once the result has been loaded, tap on the first option and tap on install. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, tap on open. Tap on start and choose your preferred language by tapping on the language option and then check button on the top right. Now, allow the necessary permissions by tapping allow to grant access to camera, photos and videos. Now, you can use the app to make your Android camera resemble an iPhone camera. While it doesn't perfectly replicate all iPhone camera features, it offers a similar experience. And that's how to make your Android camera more like an iPhone camera. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.